Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Vipul Shukla. I am doing data science course from ETL High. I did my bachelor from MIT University Gwalior, and I also recently done internship for data science and business analytics role. So here we will learn about Tableau. So first of all about Tableau. Tableau is a business intelligence tool. By using that we can create the visualization. Okay, and we can also do the predictive analysis for our business problem, and we can also use, there are a lot of products: Tableau desktop, Tableau server, Tableau reader, Tableau public. I am using here Tableau public because it is free, and Tableau desktop, it is paid. It will give you the 14 days trial. Okay, and Tableau server as well. So those two are paid, and Tableau Reader is used for reading that TWBX file. So now let's move to the Connect. Okay. So in Connect, you can see Microsoft Excel text file, okay, JSON file, Microsoft Access. There are a lot of files you can access. Okay, and there are like if you will use desktop, so in that desktop you will have an option for database. Okay, you can connect to your database and you can run your query. Okay, and you can get your data, extract your data, and you can make a do the visualization for that. Okay, so we will use Microsoft Excel because our file is in Excel format. Okay. Documents, then come to this my Tableau repository, come to data source 2019, and then so I will use sample Superstore. Okay, so now you can see, yeah, this is our data source. Okay, so in that you can see the data. First you have to just put your orders here. Okay, drag and drop, and yeah, it will take processing request. Okay, yeah, it will take like little bit of time, and here you can see I have added return as well. Okay, so here we are doing joining. Okay, this is the joining. So order and order ID and order ID in returns. So both are matching. So that's why it will give you, it will create a column for that, or yeah, return column also. So matching column. So now what we can do, we can see our data. Okay, can see our data. In our data we have order date, ship date, and segment or country, state, lot of, you can see a lot of things we have. Okay, so now we will move to the seats. So these are the seats option. You can just add the seat, okay, by using this button. Okay, or you can add the dashboard by using this button, and yeah, you can new story, you can add new story here. So first we can here check the sales. Okay, or we can just we can yeah, we can, no, we can check the categories because we have categories now. Okay, so first we will check the category. Yeah, we can put it here in column or in rows. Sorry, we can put it into rows. Okay, and in this you will see we have categories like furniture, office supplies, technology. Okay, so we can check the sum of sales for that. Okay, so where is our sales? So yeah, this is our sales. You can put it into columns. Then you will see this much sale in furniture, this much sale in office supplies, this much sale in technology. So you can see. Okay, you can also uh, do the colorful. You can also create a colorful chart. So yeah, this is. You can also change the color by using this edit color. Just go there and yes, here you can see I have the red and gold, so I will just apply it, and then you can see, yeah, it looks great. So yeah, we can use it. So for looking the sum of sales, exact sum of sales, you can put your sum of sales in this size, sorry, in this text, in this label, sorry, this label, yeah, label. You can change this label by using pen and format. Yeah, there is a format button. Okay, so here you can see this is the format. So this is pen. So in that pen, you just need to go number, and you can change it to currency custom. Okay. Now you can see it is showing you in dollars, so you can convert it into INR if you want, or if you want to take it similar, so you can take. I will just do the K, okay, thousands, okay, so it looks good, no? You can do that. Then yeah, dollars will be, yeah, good. Dollars will be good. Okay, so this is about our data. You can use it. Okay. You can also change this horizontal to vertical, okay, by using this button. Sorry, not this button. By using this button. Okay, at the top left you can see this button, swap rows and columns. So you can do that. Okay, and this is used for increasing and decreasing order. You can see. So you can do this. Okay, but I just want to do the horizontal. Okay, and I will do summation of sales inside this size. Okay, yeah, this size. So now it is also good. So you can also change standard entire. Okay, here we have a button, so you can use it. Fit height, entire view. Okay, so but I just want this label to. Okay, I will just put this label inside the here is alignment. Okay, this one. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, this looks good. So that's why I put it inside that block or horizontal block. Now, what we can do, we can increase the we can change the color. We can change the color of this. Okay, if you want, so you can just click format and just you can change it. Okay, whatever font size, if you want to take font size more like bigger, so you can use it. Okay, yeah, it is showing this, and if you want this bold, so you can do bold. Okay, and if you want to change the color, so you can change it to this. Okay, if you want to change color to blue, okay, so you can do that. So you have a lot of options, so you can use, but I can put it as a normal. Yeah, this one black is good. Okay, so now we will create a new sheet for that. Okay, so this is the new sheet button, so you can rename it. I will just make similar. So yeah, here we have created sheet 2. In that, what we need to do in next, we can just put our year. Okay, or monthly data. Where is our monthly? Just wait. So this is city, order ID, order date. So yeah, this order date we can put here. Okay, and we can just put our sum of sales and sum of profits inside that. Okay, inside the rows. So where it's, yeah, this is our sum of profit, and this is our sum of sales. Okay, so if I want to check this sum of profit and sum of sales in a month, so I can check by using just monthly. You can do monthly. Okay, then you will got it. Okay, so here you can put order date in the color. Okay, then you can see there are different order dates. Okay, or different years. This is year 2017, this is year 2018, this is year 2015, and this is 2016. Okay, so you can see that data. Then, so this is the data for years. If you want to see only 2 years data, so what you can do here, just go to the order date, put inside the filter. Okay, then it will come. Mine is not coming because my laptop is slow, so that's why it is not coming. I will just drag it again, then we'll see. Yeah, so we have years. Okay, just click on next. Okay, then you will see this data. Select from the list. So you can select 2015 data. You can like, yeah, you can, if you want to see those two data, you can see. I want to see like 2017 and 18 data. Okay, I will take only 2 years. Now click on apply and OK, and you can see this is the data of profit plus sales of 2018 and 17. So this is about our year wise sales and profit. Okay, so now we will create a new sheet for month and date year. Okay, month, date, year. So we will take year and month only. So we will create a menu. So for that, we have to just click over, just drag our order date to here. Okay, a row, sorry, in a column. Okay. So here you can see ABC, ABC, ABC. So we can remove that by creating a new calculated field. Okay. So here we have this new create calculated field. So we can write this name as a blank. Okay. And we can give the calculation. So here you can do the calculation, but I am giving here a space because we don't want anything, so that we can create here blank. So a blank column is created, so that blank column we will drop to this. Okay, means text. So here you can see this, yeah, this data is gone. Okay, so you can just do, you can do what, you can just drag this. So yeah, this one. Okay, so you can click on it and you can also resize that. Okay, 2015 and this. So here we can do by using this format. Okay, format is there. So by using format we have font. Okay, so I think this one is not work. Yeah, this one will work. Okay, so for that we have format. Yeah, at the top. Now go to the pane. Okay, and go over to this. It's not working. No. So what we can do here, we can just right click on it. Okay, just right click on it, then go to format, and then you can change this to, yeah, this is the data which I was showing you. So yeah, you can do that, and you can increase the, okay, you can increase this by clicking here. Yes, so it is showing you this. So I will just do small because it is too big. So I can give 16 or 15. Yes, 15 is good. Okay, and yeah. Now we can put this data. Okay, we can put this data in the dashboard. Okay, sorry, this is not on dashboard. This is the see. There is dashboard. So this dashboard we will create. So for that we can give the we can give here the dimension. Okay, how much width you want? So I want 1000. You want more, so you can. Okay, so I will just and don't like I will use float because it works very well, and tiled it sticks somewhere, so that's why I will use float. Okay, so here we have this data. Okay, here we have which data? Yeah, this data we have. We can just remove that filter. Okay, need not this filter. Yeah, we don't need this filter. Now we will take this one. Okay, and then this one. You can see. Now another one is this. This is our data for 2015, 16 and 7. Sorry, 16, 15, 16, 17 and 18 data. Okay. What we can do here, we can click on it. Like we can first do filter. Okay, use filter, and this is also we can use filter. Okay, and this is also we can use filter. When we click on 2015, 16, so it will show you the 2015 data or 16 data. Okay, yeah, it is showing you 2015 data, and if you click 2017, so it is showing you 2017 data. So you can show this to your manager. Okay, so manager can get an idea. So yeah, this is about our Tableau. Thank you.